Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Excel Expert series. Today we are going to learn how to create calendar with one single formula in Microsoft Excel. Let's start the video and create the calendar. Sequence function in Microsoft Excel is used to get array of list of sequential numbers. It has 4 arguments: raw, which is mandatory argument, and it is used to provide the number of rows to return. Column, which is optional argument, it is used to provide number of columns to return. Start is another optional argument. It is used to provide the starting value for the sequential number. By default, it's 1. Step is another optional argument. It is used to provide the increment between each value. By default, it is 1. Now we are going to set up the calendar. I am using D2 cell to provide the starting value for date. So select the D2 cell, fill it with any color of your choice and rename it as start date. Now insert the label of weekdays, Sunday, and drag it to right until Saturday. Now we will write our formula equals to sequence. Number of row we need is 6 and we have 7 days a week, so the number of columns are 7. Our starting point will be our start date and we want one incremental value, so the step value will be 1. Enter. And right now we haven't provided any start date, so we are just getting the array of sequential number. Let's write the start date. Today is 10 March 2022. Convert these numbers into calendar format. For that I am using Ctrl+Shift+3 short key, and here we have sequential date starting from the start date. But we have a problem. Today is 10 March 2022 and today is Thursday, but we are getting 10 March 2022 on Sunday. So we have to modify our formula to get 10 March 2022 on Thursday. For that I am using start date minus weekday, and for the serial number of weekday I will provide the start date and will add 1. Remember, my weekday will start from Sunday and will end on Saturday. If you are using any other combination of weekday, then you have to modify this one value accordingly. Press enter and now we can see 10 March 2022 below Thursday and rest of the dates accordingly. This was our single formula to create the calendar table in Microsoft Excel 2021 and 365. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you let me know by leaving a comment and a thumbs up below. You can also give your suggestion for future videos in comments. See you in next tutorial.